Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Levels are good. Devils are good. Devils are good. Levels are good. Devils are good. Hey boy. Hey, what I said now? What I said, man? Look, listen. This setup is gonna present itself every day, bro. No, not every day. But like I said, yeah, more times than not. And if you want to be a little bit more technical, I'll say 3.5 days out of 5. You feel me? Meaning not exactly 4 days, but not exactly 3 for those that may not understand fractions or percentages. I mean, I'm done already, bro. Look, I caught the fade here. Seen the double bottom, went long, took profits, faded back down, came back down here, seen the triple bottom, went long again, and got out. But I mean, yeah, I could have stayed in, but look, is it really worth it? I mean, fuck, if we keep trending up. See, like up here, I'd be interested in the fade, dog. To be quite honest with you. Right here. I'd be looking at those 449 puts right about now. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I wasn't done trading already, you feel me? I'd be liking the 449 puts right here. I mean, obviously, you want to verify that with some confirmation, but look, clearly the top of the range is here. And, I mean, my first price target on my first long trade was right here, at the top, right here where we gapped up to. See, that was my first price target, and you can see why. Look, so first price target was here on my long trade because look, after I caught this washout and we double bottomed and then started running up, I'm looking at this 449 flat where we gapped up to. Look, we ran up there and rejected. You feel me? So look, that same setup. It's the same one. And my bad that I don't have the chroma key on. Like, I just don't feel like setting it all up right now if I'm not gaming. You know what I'm saying? Let's actually take chroma key off. Chroma key, the green screen. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. I mean, I'm already done. So at this point, like I wouldn't take another trade unless it's like a A+ setup. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic. Yo, that mic's loud, huh? Dude, I'm telling you, that's the one thing I hate, bro. When I'm watching someone stream and their mic is low as hell, bro. Put some bass in your voice, dog. Young man. Put some bass in your voice, dog. Unless you can't. Might still need to go, maybe, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you still need to go through a little puberty or something. You feel me? Put some bass in your voice, dog. If not, turn your mic up or put some compression on that shit. Something. You know what I mean? Use a compressor. If you don't know what a compressor is, it's like, it's really for music. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Make shit like louder but more even. See, I'm liking the fade up here, but I mean, there is the possibility that we break out. But just all right, look. Oh wait, what are you saying? Hold on, I can't see. Wait. Hold on. Let me go to my chat. Wait, hold on. because I don't have that set up right. Someone just chatted something. Oh, it wasn't YouTube. It might have been Rumble. Hi, I want your offer promotional. What? Like, what are you messaging me from? YouTube, Twitch, Rumble, what? Facebook? That's not even promotional, dude. I'm giving it away for free. All right. Comment on one of my videos. Comment on one of my videos so I could know who you are and send you the link. You know what I'm saying? But like I don't have my chat set up right now. I don't have it set up right. I gotta go back into OBS slobs or whatever it's called. I mean, dude. Yeah, I was liking the fade up here, but remember I said there is a slight possibility that we break out. You feel me? I mean, clear break above that 449.50s. I'm actually seeing the level intraday is 449.44, but you might as well call it 449.50s. I mean, if we can consolidate up here, I'd say for like, you know what I mean, 5 to 10 minutes, then I'd be comfortable maybe thinking that we can continue to trend up gradually. You know what I'm saying? But like, just because we broke above this and popped for a second does not mean you can automatically now go long. Even though we did break past resistances, they're intraday. You know what I'm saying? And these are 1 minute candles. So, but I mean, clearly, looking bullish, dude. This is the setup that I'm always talking about, bro. Like, dude, I'm telling you, like, damn near every day. Look, and like, it was perfect today. Look, it just freaking ran up, and then I'm watching us top out right here. But look, only 10 minutes into market though. You feel me? That's the thing. I usually like to wait 15 minutes, but lately I've been noticing that 10 minutes has been sufficient. But you know, things change. Stuff works until it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? But look, just, you know what I'm saying? Like, the trades I took was let us rip off the open, verify we're topping out, catch the fade. We faded down here. I got out. All right. And then I just waited to see if we're going to break down the 120. We didn't. We bounced, came back up, and then double bounced. Once I seen this double bottom, like, just from a risk to reward standpoint, and what did I tell you? I like the fade from up here, bro. Look, see these wicks up here? These 3 wicks at 449.75, 449 and 3/4. See these 3 wicks? When the wicks are on the top like that, that means the price pushed up there. Like the bar pushed up there, but they sold into it. They dumped on it and turned them into doja candles. You feel me? Which is insinuation of continuation to the downside. But you gotta be careful right here, because see, like, this was intraday level 449.50. It's also a psychological level, and now that we've broken above it, it could act as support. It's not guaranteed, but like I said, I'm liking the fade from up here, bro. To be quite honest, but you want to cross-reference that with other stuff. So let's look at the cues. Look, the cues were weak. Like they couldn't even get back up here to where we gapped up to. You know what I'm saying? Like just right off the open, that's it. After that, we just washed all the way out. So that setup would have actually worked a lot better on the cues today. I just been trading the SPY because I don't know. I just been trading it, and I kind of got used to how it moves. But you know, to be honest with you, all large caps are going to move the same. But yeah, if you're interested in that, just comment on one of my videos, watch list, and I'll shoot that to you, my guy. All right, look, see, that's what I'm saying. You gotta be careful. But even like, let me say something, bro. Yeah, I mean, we could. I mean, there's definitely a precedent for us running up here, but can we cover that much ground in one day? I'm not sure about that. You feel me? Look, 450, 150s, 451, and all those. See, look, I'm liking the fade from up here, to tell you the truth, my guy. Look, we're already below. Look, this is 449.44. We're already below 449.50. 449.50 is the major psychological level. But what we want to do is cross-reference with everything else. Look how bearish Apple is. I'm actually about to average down on Apple on my long term. But look, we faded to a certain point, then bounced, and it was looking like we were attempting to put in a higher low. So you see that? That means something. You'd have to watch Apple. Oh, dude, we're coming down, bro. Look at Tesla, man. Damn, Tesla sub 250. Oof. Bro, no, bro. Like, come on, man. Don't call me while I'm trading, bro. The fuck? Like, you had all weekend to talk to me, bro. And I messaged you back. But yeah, I'm liking what did I say? I'm liking the fade from up here. It's still not too late. The 449 puts. 449s. Bro, my phone's going off. Sorry. I'm telling you, I'm liking the fade from up here, but I mean, dude, like nothing's guaranteed, so you just gotta be ready to stop out, bro. Like the cues, I don't know. Like we're right in the middle here. So I feel like, you know what I mean, taking a trade on the cues here is like flipping a coin. I mean, I like the way we've kind of been trending up, pulled back higher low, you know what I mean, trended up, consolidated, pushed up, pulled back. But yeah, in a higher low. I mean, we dipped. Only problem is we broke down past all this chop. But see what I'm saying? So we're trending up, pull back higher low, trended up, then consolidated, pushed up, pulled back, and then pulled back again. But we pulled back below all this chop right here. This little consolidation station at 373 40s. You know what I mean? So that is another elevating factor as to why I like the fade from up here. And again, things can change, bro. Like, I don't have a crystal ball, first of all. And again, if you don't know the person that has the crystal ball, bro, like, you need to go do more research, bro. You haven't watched enough hours of content. to know. You need to, you know what I'm saying? At least in my opinion, like this is just like in this new day and age of technology era that we're in right now. Like it's not true for like old school traders that have been doing this for decades, but in my opinion, if you're fairly new, like you have like, you know what I'm saying, less than 3 years of trading under your belt, like you need to have at least watched a minimum of I'd say at least 2,000, maybe 2,500 hours of trading content, bro. At least 1,000 hours, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be a prerequisite. You need 1,000 hours of freaking trading content. All right, in my opinion. And even up here, look. Remember I said I like the fade from up here. It would have worked. Look, down to 449.27, and the trade. I mean, the day isn't over, but just from up here to here, with the right amount of size, you know what I'm saying? That trade worked. And that's why, like, keep your bias out of it. So I'm interested to see what happens here. We're attempting to break above 449.5 right now. Kind of looks like we're having trouble. And I mean, you can see why, because we're having trouble here. I'm trying to pop. Look, they're selling into everything. They're selling into everything. All right, let's get rid of all these levels. That should look way too messy. Look, they're selling into it. Look. See all these wicks on the top? Wick, 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 wick. They're selling into everything, bro. Right here, 449.73 is the resistance I'm seeing from an intraday standpoint. So I like the fade from up here again. I like the fade from up here. Because, I mean, if you pull this down, it could be almost like a triple top. 1, 2, 3. But obviously, the real level's here. Now, we're on the high of day. But I like the fade from up here, bro. I'm just not, like, look, and also look at Apple holding this double bottom. That's interesting. Look at Tesla. We faded to a certain point, found some support finally, and started trending up. And now Tesla trying to cross over VWAP. So I mean, Apple cracks this, and Tesla rejects off VWAP. I definitely like the fade from up here. But as I'm seeing Tesla start to trend up, I don't know. We'd have to look around. Let's see. All right, so look at this little V right here, and now we're attempting to go back up. This is the Russell ETF, the IWM. I mean, we faded and then we bounced. So actually, hold off on the fade for now. Hold off on the fade for now. We need more insinuation of continuation. All right, so you see how this weakness, like, I thought I seen a little weakness there. We broke above 194 for a second. But if we immediately break back down, I'm liking the fade even more. All right? And then look. Here's the S&P 500. Look, I was watching this thing ready for the gap, like ready for for us to crack this level and gap down. But that you know what I'm saying? Once I seen that wasn't gonna happen, I actually flipped long again. And, you know what I'm saying? Like again, like I'm already done trading, bro. Like I'm done. But I'm just watching the markets, like because guess what? Screen time equals green time, bro. Hashtag. You heard it here first. So look at this. I mean, you can almost call this kind of resistance here, but look, got a double top. Look, 1, 2. Okay, and I feel like I'm starting to see a little divergence between small caps and large caps right now. Look at Meta. All right, let's get rid of these levels. No bias, bro. Butt naked. Raw dog. No financial media consumed. No, actually, that's a lie. I seen a tweet from Triple D. And I mean, dude, as he was tweeting that shit, I was fading. And that's why I stopped live streaming and trading. Because that time where like if I would have been, you know what I'm saying, tweeting, oh, I like the fade from here, like the those couple of seconds is the difference between a good entry and a bad entry. You feel me? But now that, you know what I'm saying, like I've hit, you know what I'm saying, my price target and all that, and I don't necessarily have to take any more trades, like I'll get on and stream and kind of provide some commentary, and if I do see an A plus setup, I will take it. Look, I like I mean, oh, I'm on the wrong chart, my bad. I like how this thing is attempting to break past this double top. But just because we break past it for a second doesn't mean anything. But I will stress to you that the S&P 500 is on the high of day right now. So is Nvidia. So is Google. All right. And now with the Russell going front side here, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like we're already kind of extended to the upside a little bit. You feel me? So, look, let's see how they play with it. Let's see if we go front side for a second and then break back down. If we do, I'm still interested in the fade. We just have to proceed with caution. See? Look, what did I just say? What did I just say? I like the fade from up here. 449.73, 449.75. Crack that level right there. Let's see where we're at in the grand scheme. Look where we dumped from, bro. Cough that. Oh. Well, everyone was saying bullish, bullish, bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. When they were saying bullish, 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 I caught this fade, flipped long, ran up here, and then faded again. In my opinion, look, what I say, I like the fade from up here. It's not too late, especially if we break down 449.50s, because it's a major psychological level. I'd be looking at those 449 puts, in my opinion. Let's see what they're going for. The 449 puts, I mean, like it's only 10:45. All right. All right. I mean, I was gonna say, like, once we get too late in the day, like I don't trade zero DTEs anymore. like after lunchtime, after 11 o'clock, 11:30, the DTEs are out. I mean, dude, I'm done. I mean, I'll take a little, baby little trade just for shits and giggles. See, look, we're trying to hold 449.50 though. See that? It looks like we just cracked it, but just because we crack it for a second doesn't mean anything. I mean, we need to see some insinuation of continuation. So let's look around the markets. See, like as I'm getting ready to look around the markets, look, I'm about to miss my freaking entry. I don't know, man. I'll try one, dude. I'm ready to stop out though. Off rip. Damn, fill me. Like, dude, I missed my fill. Buy on the ask. Update.
Order filled.
All right. See, when I was running my mouth though, up here was the best place to take the trade. The only problem with that is you're trying to fade while the market's on the high a day. You know what I mean? But that's why you have to wait for confirmation. Let us come back down here and break the support first, and then you grab them. And my price target. See, I'm scared because we bounced right. I'm not scared, but this would be a something to take into consideration. This is a level here. 449 and a quarter. I mean, look, we chopped around it here, rejected off of it here, rejected off of it here, consolidated here, bounced up, came back down, consolidated on it here, ran back up, and put in a new high day, rejected, back down to this level, and it's looking like we're trying to bounce off of it right now, but let's just see. So, I mean, let me see. I feel like that. I feel like that. I can't even tell, dude. Like I hate when it does that. Whenever I just click on like that my orders window and automatically switches. See, that's what I'm saying. Like problem area here. You feel me? 449.27. We came down. Look, consolidation station came back down. Double bottomed. Double consolidation station. Now that trade was working, and it's. I mean, I'm probably, you know what I'm saying, like up a little bit on it or break even. You feel me? Just because like it took me a while to actually get into the trade. I had to go back and change it and buy on change the limit price and buy on the ask. Which if you're trading highly liquid um instruments, like I see no problem with buying on the ask. Like if you're trading like the Spire, the Qs, or like Apple, you know what I'm saying, Tesla, Meta, Google, and you know what I'm saying, like the big dogs. Like there's no problem with buying on the ask, in my opinion, because the spread's so uh close. Like it's so narrow. It's like a couple cents. But when you buy on the ask, I mean, it basically, for the most part, guarantees you'll get filled. I mean, let's see, like this It's 449.27. You feel me? But that's my only concern. But I'd be weary of actually going long here too, bro, because we've already run up substantially. So you missed 3/4 of the move already by trying to go long here. Unless we just have some bullish ass price action that comes out of nowhere and we break out. You know what I'm saying? But barring that, like you this is where I would prefer to go long at, down here. Once we're already up here, yeah, it could work, but in my opinion, if you already missed 3/4 of the move, it's not a good trade, unless you're scalping. See, we're playing around too much up here. So my stop obviously would be breaking above 449.73. Dude, look. See how the Russell's playing around up here? It's been doing this for like the last 3 trading periods. Like going front side, going back side, going front side, going back side. And then if you look at the S&P 500, look, we came up here, made a new high, then rejected. All right. And then if you look at it, it's almost like the inverse higher lows. Look, this would be your support. This would be your inverse higher low, 45.0650s. That would be your first one. Look at the Russell ETF, cracking previous close. Let's see. Well, look at the SPY now. Back down here. So how many times have we tested this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crack. So at this point, my price target is VWAP 449 flat. So that coming down on the 5-minute too, bro. Price target's VWAP. And look, you got a major psychological level here, 449 flat. You also have VWAP running parallel damn near right on top of it. And then you got the 120 right under it. So I wouldn't look, that's my price target. All right, so let's get ready to go ahead and exit. See profits, take profits. Let me just wait, because there is a possibility we crack 449 flat and VWAP and the 120. I mean, it's a tall task. It's a lot to ask for, but there is that possibility. And the only reason why I am giving it a little bit more time is because, like, I'm already done for the day. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't, you know what I'm saying? Like on this trade on the live stream, like this one I'm in right now, like I went with nowhere near full size. So that's why I feel like I can afford to maybe give it a little bit more time to work. But look, as you look at this. Okay, so as you look at the S&P 500, right? See where we came down and wicked and bounced at? See this? But whenever you see that wick like that, after we've been fading and we wick up real quick, and you immediately then see a wick on the top, to me that's insinuation of continuation to the downside. And you can see it on the Russell ETF. That thing's fading. Look. Nvidia's been fading. 453 flat. I mean, and it's congruent with VWAP. So I wouldn't expect it to be easy for us to crack this. But if we do crack it, that's insinuation of continuation. And it's looking like we're about to crack that. Oh, you see? VWAP slanted down to accommodate it. That's what that was. You seen it. Alright, so look. Oh, my shit's acting glitchy as hell. Hold on. I might be under attack. Yo, they're still doing it. They're still trying to like hack me, bro. I swear, bro. I just got to the point where I'm like, fuck it. Like, I'm trying to take the stoic approach. Ooh. So look, 449 flat. Like they faked us out. Like we're gonna crack it. Oh, as VWAP slants and we're looking bearish, that's usually insinuation of continuation. But the thing is, see, this is my price target. But so I mean, if we're cracking 449 flat with VWAP running congruent with it, and the 120 right under that, and we crack all that, I mean, that, you know what I'm saying? If I ever seen insinuation of continuation, that was it. Could be a liquidity grab. See, we're wicking hard. Oh man, about to get liquidity grabbed here. They're not trying to give up this 449.02. See, and that's a prime example of why you stick to your price target. Because if I would have, look, damn, I would have got out right there. 449 flat. And see, that's why that level's so important. That's where we gapped up to. You know what I mean? That makes sense, right? Gapping up there, and we gap up and terminate, and then start fading. So you know that level is significant, and plus it's a psychological level. Well, look at that wick right there. See that wick reaching up and rejecting off the 9 EMA? That's insinuation of continuation to me. I mean, we can go like this maybe. Put a little trend line there. I mean, trend lines don't really work that good on like a 1 minute. Let's go to like a 5. I mean, we just haven't had enough price action yet. Insinuation of continuation. But honestly, I feel like I'm playing with it, and I might be being a little too greedy here. You know what I'm saying? And I might just have to go ahead and take my profits once again and like really be done. But look, I mean, clear downtrend we're respecting right now. Wicking to the upside, trying to reject off of VWAP and that trend line. We're below the 9 EMA. On the 3 minute, we're way above the 120 though. I feel like I'm playing with it. Look. I feel like I'm playing with it. You know what I mean? Look, I had multiple times to take profits, but I didn't. but it's also because like I'm not really trading with a lot of size right now. So, but like we're starting to bounce here. All right, let's get rid of all these trend lines. But that move would have worked. You know what I'm saying? And it still works. I can get out right now for a profit. As this thing keeps going up higher and higher, you know what I mean? It's not 449's when it's live. We're trying to bounce. These motherfuckers, bro, like steady trying to fucking hack me, bro, and like do all types of weird shit, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, just get off my dick, bro. That's all I want. To be left alone. Like, dude, is that... I don't think it's too much to ask. You feel me? Like, I haven't done anything, bro. Like, I haven't freaking hurt anyone. I haven't freaking, you know what I'm saying? Like, done no crazy shit like that. Nothing violent. Like, I haven't fucking even broken any crimes in years, bro. So why am I being harassed? I don't get it. Go harass the people who are still out there committing crimes that haven't learned their lesson yet. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like, I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like that's not a lot to ask for. But I don't, and it's really dangerous because it's getting to the point of obsession. And when obsession gets involved, then you know what I'm saying? Oh, look, we're dumping. And you start talking about like crimes of passion and shit, bro. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro. Look, if something happens to me, bro, just know I've been saying it the whole time, bro. Like, and some of the stuff that's happened, I can't even tell you on here, bro. That's how crazy it is. I can't tell you. It's because guess what? If I tell you, like, I'm gonna have freaking police and feds and shit knocking at my door, asking me questions. And I'd rather not. I'd rather not deal with that. I don't have time for it right now. Feel me? Alright, I mean, I've been hit my price target. Like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and lock in profits. We're starting to bounce. You know what I'm saying? We're starting to bounce. Like, and I wasn't even supposed to take another trade anyways. I just got on just to show face. The longer we consolidate down here and we reclaim VWAP and all that shit, like, dude, I'm out. I am out. I am out. Let's just make sure that we don't reject off this real quick. Because there's a level there, look. Right here, rejected there, consolidated there, came down, held it as support there, came back down, then cracked it. Now it's been acting as resistance. So let's just make sure we don't reject off this. Even if we reject just a little bit back down to VWAP, I'm fine with that. I'll take profits. I mean, I could take them right now. See, the longer this consolidates here, like especially above VWAP and above this key level, this 449 flat, like the more my risk goes up. Unless we start dumping like this. See, price target hit. Price target hit. Price target hit, I'm out. I'm out, bro. Like, I didn't even need to take this trade. What? Get me out. Like, oh god. Like this is taking way too much time. See, if I was scalping with a lot of size, bro, like I'd be fucked right now. Uh, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. See how? Oh shit, my bad. See, look, let's get rid of these levels so you can see what the hell's going on. I mean, look, we're clearly below VWAP. The 9, the 120, we broke down this shit again. It's making me kind of want to stay in the trade and see how far we'll fade. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? What should I do? See how we're trying to bounce? They're playing with it. But I also feel like now that we broke down 449, which is a major psychological level, and the 9 EMA, VWAP, the 120, everything, like I feel like we can continue to fade, but you know what? Like it doesn't really doesn't matter. Like I'm taking profits like you're supposed to do. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh no. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't even know what fucking trade I'm in. Hold up. Oh, okay. There we go. Get out of this thing, dude. Market order. Hopefully it hasn't bounced against me in that time. I was trying to. Oof. Actually, that was a good thing. That was a good thing. That was a good thing, dog. That was a good thing. But dude, am I pushing my luck? Hold on. Cause look, see, right here's a little intraday level too. Oh, we need to go to a higher time frame. To be quite honest with you, to get real levels, like you have to be on higher time frames. But sometimes I feel like I could still do it, uh, like from a lower time frame, just for intraday trading. Look, we're coming down, bro. What did I say, bro? Did I say I like the fade from up here or not? That's what I want to know, bro. Did I say I like the fade from up here or not? Huh? Huh? All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. Nice doing business with you. And I mean, it's 11 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's like the optimal time. I used to like to be out the markets, but, um, it's not lost on me that, a trend that I've been seeing is, the fuck? There's an ant. There's an ant on my screen, on my monitor. Hold on. Hold on. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he ran away. I was about to vacuum his ass up. But yeah. What was I saying? Oh, it's not lost on me that during the lunch period we have been trending, showing some range during the lunch period. Looks like we're about to bounce. Google's trying to bounce. The Russell ETF is trying to bounce, and so is the S&P 500. Look, the S&P 500 came down to the 120 and bounced, and then the Russell ETF came down to VWAP and bounced decent. New candle opened above the previous one, and we're attempting to break above 194 right now. If we can indeed break above 194 and stay above it for any meaningful amount of time, we could possibly see a reversal in the trend to the upside. Hold on real quick. Them Reese's pieces. I mean, them Reese's cups. Tell me those Reese's cups aren't like one of the best candies of all time. Damn, Pam. Oh, I say possibly see some type of reversal type action. Didn't I just say that? Because look, I'm looking at the Russell come down here and bounce off VWAP. I'm looking at the S&P 500 come down here and bounce off the 120. And then I'm looking at Google just continue to trend up, almost getting up close to the high of day. Now, Meta, I don't know. It seems like tech, S&P 500 crosses 4,500 again. I mean, I think that's a major psychological level, bro. If I'm being honest with you. So if we can break above 4,500 and like stay above it, like open a new candle, maybe like on the 5 minute above 4,500, there is a decent possibility we could at least start to trend back up towards the top of the range. Look, the Russell ETF above 194 flat. These are all bullish credentials. See that? But again, this thing's been playing. It keeps going front side, back side, front side, back side. You know what I mean? Look, 4,500. Look, 4,550. If this thing can consolidate above this level and not break back down immediately, there could be some hope for the Bulls, but wait, hold on. Let's watch this. We go like this real quick. God. That vacuum. It's like the crypt. I got so many freaking like ants and bugs and shit in there. I just vacuum them up, dude. I mean, I said it right. Possibly see a reversal to the reversal type action. I mean, I think I said that. See, I mean, 448.75. That is a level that rings a bell, and not just from today. You feel me? Like when you start remembering levels, you just, you know what I'm saying? by heart and shit, that's when you know, like, you know what I'm saying? That's a significant level. You feel me? You remember that bit by heart? Like, like, without having to do any technical analysis on it? Like, you just know, like, oh yeah, I remember that level from this day, that day, this week, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much safe to say, it's significant. And bro, uh, to be quite honest with you, I'd be very careful going long. Even though we did snap this downtrend, but we also snapped it here and then immediately broke back down and dumped more. So, you feel me? Let's just take a trip. Let's take a trip around the markets. Damn, I didn't know the Qs were that close to going backside. So if that's the case, all right, wait, be patient, and see how the Qs react to previous close, which is also 372 flat. And depending on what the price action looks like, you either buy the dip. I don't even know if I would be comfortable anticipating the breakdown of this and then trying to fade it, because again, like at that point you missed most of the move. The move was from up here, bro. 370, 375. Feel me? And look, it's looking like we're about to double bottom off this and bounce. But bounce to where is the question. But I mean, from a risk to reward standpoint, I like the long here, the 373 calls on the Qs. I mean, if you can't do 0 DTEs, which I probably wouldn't recommend this late in the day, unless for sure it's for a quick scalp, just go out to the next day, to the next expiration. But from a risk to reward standpoint, I like the long here. Strictly from a risk to reward standpoint, though. Look, 1, 2, double bottom, trend back up. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, better lock the door. 5, 6, get your crucifix. 7, 8. Haters got a lot of hate. 9, 10, another green day again. Bars. What did I say? What did I say? I'd be very wary going long. I said that. Bro, shit changes, bro. Like, dude, the situation is liquid. You know what I'm saying? It's liquid. And again, that's why it makes sense to leave your bias out of it. You know what I'm saying? Because the situation is liquid. Things change. In the stock market, they change from tick to tick. Not even from second to second. It's from tick to tick, bro. But dude, look, I would expect the Qs to hold 372, if I'm being honest. Got some double bottom action here. Wait, never mind. Oh, hey, they'll fake you out now. See what I'm saying? I would expect the Qs to hold 372, but not when the S triple Qs going front side like this and on the highs. See what I'm saying? You gotta be watching all this. So now the S triple Qs on the high of day, bro. Meaning the market specifically, the Nasdaq or the Qs should be like damn near on the low of day, and that's what you see. Look. Damn. Oh, guess what? I'm about to average down, son, in the long term. Damn, bro, they dumping. Woof. Damn, I should have just stayed in there, huh? But I got out here, though. So really, I didn't miss that much. But geez, if I knew they were going to pull the rug like this. Oh, my God. Now we're on their 448.50s? Bruh. Okay. 448.50, major psychological level. If we're able to break back above it, I like the long from here. As long as the market cooperates. You just got to be ready to stop out. That's it. And when shit's this bearish, like, you got to have your stop tight. See, I like the long from down here. After we break back above 448.50. See what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, those are the trades I took. I mean, I think I showed them to you already, right? Gap up. Look. Oh, Lord. We in the gap, son. Oh, man. They're in the gap with the strap, bro. Watch your back out here, bro. They're in the gap with the strap, dog. Telling you. They're in the gap with the strap. Look at the NASDAQ. Ooh. And look, the VIX. Let me see. Where's the VIX at? Look. That's how you know. You know what I'm saying? Shit's gonna be volatile. When you see the VIX going up like that, like running up, that means volatility incoming. And you can always tell because what you can do, right? What I've been doing overnight is I watch the dollar. And if you see the dollar fading, for instance, but the VIX gapping up, you know what I'm saying? That could mean we're bullish, or we're gonna be bullish, or there's a possibility for bullishness. But one thing, I mean, it's not always like perfect, but one thing you can take to the bank is whenever the VIX starts going up and getting elevated, your volatility's incoming. Now, if you pair that like with the dollar, for instance, and if you know what I'm saying, the dollar's dumping and the VIX is gapping up, that probably means, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be bullish. Or the inverse is also true. If you see the dollar going up, this is more true, I think. If you see the dollar going up and the VIX gapping up, that means we're going to be bearish as hell. And I mean, you see it. Look, the dollar's running up. Look, dollar's going up. The VIX is going up. Well, the VIX went up and was still up here at these elevated levels. So, I mean, that could have been a clue as well that we're going to be bearish. You feel me? Yes, minis. This is futures. I'm gonna look into futures. Damn, well, like who's buying all this WD-40, bruh? The hell? WD-40. What? Is that $225 for a can of lubricant? Man. Guess what though? I mean, when I was doing a lot of like mechanic work and like working on motors, like small motors and shit, like on my go-karts back in the day, or like I used to be a manager at Jiffy Lube. So I used to work like on cars and shit. And like, you know, like on all our cars, like I do all the work. Like I change the oil, the brakes, and do all that shit. I said that to say, you know what I'm saying? Like if you're in that field, like WD-40 is needed. Well, look at AMC. I think AMC has earnings. Let's check out Baba. What did I say? When you see Baba starting to get up to close to 100, it usually gaps down, bro. And look, you see it right there. Clear as day, bro. Clear as day. Look. And if you go back and look at the charts, you'll see it. Look. Getting up here to 100, gapping down. Look, getting up to 102, gapping down. Getting up to 101, gapping down. You feel me? Look. Getting up to 98, gapping down. And it goes up too, but I'm saying there's something about Baba and that range where we gap up or gap down, you see a lot of range and volatility on it. And I just showed you the proof of it. Look. Oh, look at this buy with this triple bottom down here, bro. We're above 448.50s. I like the long here. 449 calls. 449 calls. Shit, I'm thinking about taking one. Hold up. Just small size though, bro. I mean, should I? No, you know what? Dude, I'm done for the day, bro. I ain't giving no money back. That's out the question, bro. That's out the question, son. Out the question. And if I have 3, 4 decent green trades in a row before lunchtime, there's no reason for me to keep trading intraday at that point. Like, you know what I'm saying? While the market's in the, like, kind of looking bearish and down, Like Apple, like I'm about to average down on some Apple here. I don't know though. Is that a good idea? Look at this. Man, I know it's Apple, but shit, bro, look at the chart. It is true though, bro. Like what whatchamacallit said. Triple D, like, bro, yeah, everyone has an iPhone, they're cool, but like, dude, how many iPhones are you gonna make? You feel me? Like, and then that headset they came out with, who the hell is gonna spend freaking, how much are they? 3,500, 4 grand on a VR headset? Not me, bro. Shit. Even if I feel like even if I had $1 million to burn, I still wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Spend $3,500 on that, bro. I'm sorry. Maybe if my daughter was begging me for it. It's the only way, dude. Everything's on the lows, bro. Like Tesla on the tech is looking so weak, and it's gonna drag the SPY down, bro. Look, Q's about to go backside here. But yeah, Bank, you feel me? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions, okay? If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, follow, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my YouTube, Rumble, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, whatever one, and comment on my videos. Any video, like an older video, where I'll see the notification pop up, and I can reply to it, and then I will send you the link for the watch list. Okay, I'm giving it away for free right now, bro. I don't think you guys understand the significance of it. But I mean, it doesn't cost you anything right now. And in the market, you need every edge you can get. All right. And we're about to crack 448.50s, bro. We're looking bearish. But anyways, like I said, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Peace. Oh, and hopefully you were able to extract some capital from the markets. If not, surely you were at least able to keep your loser small. You know what I mean? Because no one can be right all the time. Even though I do know people that think they're right all the time. But no one can be right all the time. So that's the reason why you know what I'm saying? Worst case scenario, you keep your loser small. And make sure you're putting on your trades at the right levels. And trying to employ some type of risk to reward, preferably 3-to-1. If you do that, manage your risk, keep your loser small. Again, you can take 10 trades and have 7 losing trades, 3 winning trades, and still be net green on the day. Let that sink in. That means you can be wrong 7 times and right only 3 times and still be green on the day. But you have to put your trades on at the right spot, and you have to manage your risk and employ, again, risk to reward. And the Qs are on the lows here, bro. Apple's on the lows here. Tesla's on the lows here. So I'm gonna go ahead and average down in the long term on these. All right. But anyways, peace. Peace to my haters too, bro. I'm praying for y'all, man. I'm praying for y'all, man. But get off my dick, bitch. Peace.